Alright, this is a video for one of my subscribers that asked how the MGP Hotbodies exhaust sounds. If I could put a couple more clips up. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to do a cold start, let it warm up. I've got to go get some gas, and I'll do a flyby and a few other things. But we'll go ahead and get the cold start going. I've had this exhaust for a while now, and I think it sounds pretty good. Put it in neutral would probably help. But not too loud. It's got a nice sound to it for sure. Alright, so I'll get it pulled out and get it warmed up, get it some gas, and then we'll make a couple of videos. Alright, so I set up on kind of like a side street, one that nobody is on, just to make a quick video.